What's up? This is the Berenstain Bears and the Extremely Messy Room Challenge. It is based on a classic Berenstain Bears book, The Extremely Messy Room, and it is a fantastic way to gamify cleaning a kid's room, and it keeps them engaged, and it's super easy to do. Comes with a ton of these beautiful oversized cards, and on the back of each card is a prompt for the kid to do. It also comes with a timer for those that are timed. If you have siblings, they can compete against each other or they can cooperate. So this one says pick up everything that's red. The thing about it is all they have to go do is pick up everything that's red. They don't worry about anything else. So it helps keep them focused, doesn't let them get overwhelmed. Pick up something that's touching your bed. Pick up everything that's orange or yellow. Make or straighten your bed while humming a song from your favorite movie or show. Some of these are like pick up everything with a face. So all your stuffed animals or dolls. Pick up things that start with the letter A. This will help get your kid's room clean in no time. All you do, turn them over, pick your card, do that thing. Once it's done, you come back, draw another card, do that thing, and you have no idea how quickly a room can be cleaned up. Berenstain Bears and the Extremely Messy Room Challenge.